Question 5. On which line is the first error in the following argument? Okay, so some trigonometry going on, seems like, and then he somehow proved that 0 equals to 4. Great. Okay, that never happens on the real line, right? That happens in abstract algebra, maybe. But, in the real line, this never happens. So let's see where he made a mistake. So, okay. So first line, sine squared x plus cos squared x equals 1 for all values of x. I mean, that's correct, right? No matter if x is in degrees or radians, right? This identity always holds. So A is good. Therefore, cos x equals 1 minus sine squared x square rooted. Okay, so I think he chucked this sine squared x to the right-hand side, right? And then he took square roots. But this is dodgy, right? Because, for example, right? Like if you have x squared equals to 9, okay, how do you solve this? Well, you would solve x equals to square root of 9, right? You would think this in your head. But you need to make sure you put the plus or minus in front, right? Because square root of 9 is only taking the principal square root, okay? The principal root of the number, which is 3, okay? Square root of 9 is always 3. Positive 3, okay? Not negative 3. So therefore, that's why you need the plus and minus, right? So you get plus or minus 3, and that solves the equation, right? So therefore, option B is wrong because you need plus or minus here, right? Okay, and then the rest becomes silly, right? So you need plus or minus there. Good. And how do you figure out if it's plus or minus? Well, you think about the quadrant that x is in, right? Normally the question gives you, okay, x is between, for example, I don't know, 180 and 270, then the cos is negative there, right? Think about the cos graph. Okay, so you must need the plus or minus there. So B is no good. So final answer, B.